Google recently released Anti-Gravity 2.0. It is a free desktop application that puts an entire team of specialized developers, designers, and researchers directly inside your laptop. Over the next 5 minutes, we will use this tool to generate a fully animated, premium e-commerce website, complete with a functioning shopping cart. You do not need any coding experience to do this. As long as you have a computer and an internet connection, you can follow every step. This interface replaces the manual writing of syntax with high-level direction, where you manage the output of several agents through a single chat window. Step 1 is installation. Head to the Anti-Gravity website, select the download for your Mac, Windows, or Linux operating system, and open the application. Traditional code editors often require navigating complex, dark screens of syntax. Anti-Gravity 2.0 replaces it with a clean, minimalist chat box. Next, click the plus icon to create a new project. We will save this as a dedicated folder directly on your desktop. This diagram illustrates the data flow. From this point forward, every file the AI writes, every image it generates, and every line of code it produces will land exactly inside that specific folder. Because the AI is writing directly to your local machine, you bypass the process of setting up server hosting or managing back-end file protocols. Before we build, look at the bottom of the chat input. Use the drop-down menu to select a frontier AI model. You have free access to options like Gemini Flash or Claude Sonnet. Instead of guessing what to build, let's type our first prompt. We will instruct the AI to browse the web and report the top 5 e-commerce industries projected for 2026. The model pulls current market data and returns a list. For this project, we will select option C, Elite Biohacking. Notice what happens next. The AI stops the process and returns a list of open questions, asking us to specify the brand name and the aesthetic preference before it continues. To answer, click the comment icon next to each question. We will input the name Ultrahuman and request a tech luxury and dark aesthetic. Filling out these inline fields gives the AI exactly what it needs without writing a massive prompt from scratch. Treating the AI as an active conversational partner that gathers its own requirements speeds up the entire product ideation phase. Now we can start the build. We will paste the URL of the live Ultrahuman website into the chat and upload a reference photo for the brand. We will give the AI a direct instruction: redesign this existing website using our research, add full animations, and generate brand campaign images based on the photo we uploaded. This diagram illustrates parallel agent execution. One agent constructs the front-end layout, a second handles visual styling, and a third generates images, all working simultaneously. Code rapidly scrolls across your screen as these agents work together in the background. This parallel structure allows the system to generate code at nearly 800 tokens per second, handling the styling, layout, and logic at the same time, rather than processing one file at a time. Once the agents finish, Anti-Gravity presents us with specific commands to run. The first is the /go command. /go acts as a digital project manager. It takes the separate code, images, and animations, synchronizing them into a complete package. Next, the /browser command acts as an execution trigger, rendering that unified block into a viewable web environment. Memorizing these two precise / commands replaces the manual work of compiling files, setting up a local server, or managing software deployment. With the command executed, our finalized website is now running live on our screen. We see the results of our setup. The dark, tech luxury aesthetic is applied across the layout, and our specific reference photo is integrated into the brand header. This interface demonstration shows the site's logic in action. When the user clicks the Add to Cart button, the product is registered and the cart slides out automatically, ready for checkout. This is an entirely functional prototype built with real code, and it is sitting right now inside that single folder we created on your desktop. You now have a working product demo. You can use this asset to pitch clients, test business concepts, and launch ideas today without relying on technical gatekeepers to build it for you.